I love you. I thank you so much. And I don't know what else. Happy birthday to Patrick Starr. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Oh my gosh! Hey guys, PatrickStarrr, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day. Today is my birthday! I can't believe today is my birthday. I've been dreading like having my birthday because that means it's in November, it's Scorpio season, it's closer to Thanksgiving, it's closer to the holidays, and it's closer to the new year. And boy, oh boy, this year flew by so freaking fast. If you guys couldn't tell by the title already, I am saying goodbye, and I am goodbye to something specific, which I'll explain a little bit later, but I am going back to school. First of all, I want to say thank you guys so much for following me on this journey. I love you guys so much. You guys mean so much to me. And I have been going to school for the past month and a half, and I wanted to share it with you guys initially, but I had to do this for me, so I didn't feel like I was doing it for somebody else, and just to make sure that this was the right decision for me. I had one of my morning showers, and I get all my ideas in the shower, and it came to me like, I wanna go back to school. I need something new, I wanna go back to school, and I am going to school to study being an esthetician. Yes, I am going to beauty school. A lot of people were guessing, are you going to business school? Are you going for greater learnings of how to run a business and one size? No, I am going to esthetician school. I want to break down this video. What is an esthetician? Why I'm being an esthetician, and then also how I'm doing everything. If you guys are wondering what is an esthetician and you guys are Googling it right now, an esthetician is a skincare therapist, a spa technician, and a facial specialist who helps in cleaning, beautifying, and maintaining the skin and the face. Okay, why I'm going to esthetician school? I wanted to go because I wanted a better understanding of skin. I have been doing makeup for so freaking long. You guys, I have been on YouTube with all of you guys here for almost 10 years. So 10 years in February 2023. I started in 2013. And you guys have been on this long journey of beauty and makeup. And along the way, I have had a very, consumer novice level, like what I see when just shopping. But now that I'm in school, I just wanted to be a legitimate boss ass bitch in skin. When it comes to me as an individual and personally, and you guys may resonate with what I'm about to say, I felt like I was losing a sense of self and a sense of purpose, because I've been in this routine of being an influencer and being a makeup artist for so long. So when I thought about going to school, I was like, oh my God, I feel like it's something new, it's something different. I get to have classmates, I get to have a teacher, I get to learn, and it kind of like excited me to break this regimen and routine of who I am. And it really excited me. And most recently, I watched the Selena Gomez documentary, and towards the end, I'm not gonna spoil it, but she was talking to the doctor, speaking to mental health, and he said that people who feel lonely feel like they have no connection or have lost a sense of self. And when we wanna find a connection as people, we have to do that through service. And when you offer something to somebody or to the world, you feel like you have a sense of purpose, you feel like you have a sense of self, and you feel connected. I did a facial on someone recently, and I said, girl, like, this is the first time we're actually hanging out, like, not partying, not, having a drink. We're here just connecting, and it was so nice for the both of us to have such an amazing connection. And the next day, he texted me and he was like, yo, my skin is sickening. And when I tell you, that made me feel so excited. I was like, oh my gosh, I feel like I can transform skin just like how I've taught myself how to transform the face with makeup. So I'm feeling fulfilled, I'm feeling so happy. I just felt like I had to share this with you guys on my birthday. And last but not least, how I am doing everything. I am going to school 5 days a week, evening school, 5 to 10 p.m. It is crazy. By the way, when I'm saying goodbye, I am saying goodbye to my nightlife, a little bit of my social life, because 5 to 10 every single weekday is so much, and I'm resting on the weekends. So this is not goodbye to you. This is goodbye to a lot of my social life during the week, especially at night. I wanted to make this video specifically for YouTube to hopefully inspire you guys to really look at yourself and say, do I have a sense of purpose? Do I have a sense of self? And if you feel like you don't, today's your day. And that is my birthday gift for all of you, to really find who you are. The best gift you can give yourself is self-awareness. And today, on my birthday, I feel like I have a sense of self-awareness. And I can't thank you guys enough for being with me on this journey. My life has changed, and when I think about everything that I have in my life, it's because of all of you. Today is such a special day to celebrate my birthday, and I wouldn't celebrate it anywhere else than here on YouTube with all of you. So I love you. I thank you so much. And I don't know what else, but this was so important to me to share a video with you guys today. So thank you. I love you. And I hope to see you all in my next video.